How you like the view, Boo?
Awesome.
It's pretty amazing. It's kind of straight down. It's really awesome. Would like to go jump in that pool.
Somebody's up here.
How was the hike?
It was really hard.
Where's Petey?
Where's Petey? Did he make the hike? Did he make it? Oh.
Yay, Petey!
Careful, you're on the edge.
I am on the edge. Petey at the top of House Mountain.
Hey everybody, I'm Petey. Hey, how you doing?
High five, Petey. Yeah.